about the weather. 5 on the floor, the party's on at your place. 5 to the front, there's a smile on my face. Hi, 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 hi. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4, high five. 1, 2, 3, 4, high five. 1, 2, 3, 4, high five. High five in the air, let's do it together. High five.
We're gonna put on a magic show. It's gonna be amazing. You've all gotta go.
You won't believe the tricks you'll see.
Smoke and mirrors, tricks with rings, hoops that spin, disappearing things.
We'll dazzle you with magic. 1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, presto, where did it go? Hey, hey, presto, what do you know? Hey, hey, presto, we're putting on a show. It's a fantastic magic show. Hey, let's all go.
Wanna see a magic act? Watch me pull a rabbit right out of a hat.
I'll hypnotize you with my ticking clock. Tick-tock, 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 tick.
Hey presto, I wave my wand. Whoa, take a look now. Where has it gone?
Let's look into that crystal ball and see. Hey, hey, presto, where did it go? Hey, hey, presto, what do you know? Hey, hey, presto, we're putting on a show. It's a fantastic magic show. Hey, let's all go. Alakazam and Alakazee, I'll wave my magic handkerchief. Alakazam and Alakazoo, say the magic words and we'll find you. Hey, hey, presto, where did it go? Hey, hey, presto, what do you know? Hey, hey, presto, we're putting on a show. It's a fantastic magic show. Hey, let's all go. It's a fantastic magic show. Hey, let's all go.
Hi, I'm Casey.
Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, I'm Felly. Hi, I'm Lauren.
Hi, I'm Stevie.
And together, we're High Five.
Hi, Felly the friendly spider here. Come look at the web I've built. Whoop. I started in the middle and I kept spinning round and round and round. There, done. I'm a busy, busy spider in my leafy garden home, and I'm making silver patterns. Round and round the patterns go. I'm a busy, busy spider, building webs is what I do in the pretty, pretty garden all the day through. Chop, chop! Look at the dewdrops. Hey, how did they get on my web? It's like magic. They make a pretty sparkly pattern all the way around the outside. My web's even more beautiful now. Chop, chop! Hey, look, a flower. Who keeps putting things on my web? I know, I could make a flower pattern. That would look great with the dewdrops. I'm a busy, busy spider in my leafy garden home, and I'm making silver patterns. Round and around the patterns go. I'm a busy, busy spider, building webs is what I do in the pretty, pretty garden all the day through. One more. There! Wow, that looks fantastic! A circle of dewdrops and a circle of flowers. Web decorating is just so much fun! Chop, chop! Oh, look! Pretty green leaves. Hey, these green leaves would look great next to the flowers. I've got some more decorating to do. I'm a busy, busy spider in my leafy garden home, and I'm making silver patterns, round and around the patterns go. I'm a busy, busy spider, building webs is what I do, in the pretty, pretty garden, all the day through. Perfect! Flower, leaf, all the way around. I've got a web with dewdrops, flowers, and green leaves. It's the prettiest thing in the garden.
Hi, I'm Pink Penny, the teeny-weeny penny spider. If you see a penny spider, they bring you good luck. So, I guess that means you're lucky today. There's one thing about penny spiders, they're always in a hurry. Little penny spider, always on the go. Busy, 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 I can't go slow. If I get stuck, if something's in my way, I simply stop and turn and go another way. Oh, a wall. I know. Little penny spider, always on the go. Busy, 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 I can't go slow. If I get stuck, if something's in my way, I simply stop and turn and go another way. There, that was easy. Which way next? Bye.
Wishing well is magic, Casey.
Well, I guess there's really only one way to find out, Chats.
Yeah?
We need to make a wish.
I'd like to wish for a sunset. I think sunsets are the most magical part of the whole day.
Yeah.
As the sun goes down and the night arrives, that's when all the magic colours brighten up the skies. With yellow, red and orange and pink and purple too. It's Mother Nature's magic show. A treat for me and you.
Oh.
Now, how will we help our magical sunset wish to come true?
Well, Chats, how about if we put some things that are the colours of a sunset into our wishing well?
Oh, great idea, Casey. Well, let's start with yellow.
Yellow, that's a great sunset colour. Now let's see if we can find something here that's yellow. Oh, we've got... aha! How about these yellow gumboots?
Ooh, they're nice and yellow, Casey. But look what I found.
Oh, yes, a yellow flower.
That's definitely going in the wishing well.
Okay. There. All right, so what other colours are in a sunset?
Red! We have to have red in our sunset.
Oh, of course. Now let's look for something red.
Yeah.
As the sun goes down and the night arrives, that's when all the magic colours brighten up the sky. With yellow, red and orange, and pink and purple too. It's Mother Nature's magic show. A treat for me and you.
Case, look what I found.
What, a hot water bottle? Well, it sure is red.
Yep, I knew you'd like it.
But look what I found, Chats.
Ooh, a red autumn leaf.
Do you think we should put this red autumn leaf into the wishing well too?
Yes, please.
Okay. There.
Now, Casey, I still think we need one more colour.
Yeah, I do too, Chats. Orange! Now, there must be something around here that we can use. We could choose... Aha! There we go.
Yeah, a basketball, and it's orange. Hey, just like a mandarin.
A mandarin. Yeah. Oh!
Yay! I just love that juicy orange colour.
All right, this mandarin is definitely going into the wishing well.
Yep.
All right, chats, I guess all we have to do now is make our wish. Okay. Magic wishing well. We wish for...
A magical sunset.
As the sun goes down and the night arrives, that's when all the magic colors brighten up the sky. With yellow, red and orange, and pink and purple too. It's Mother Nature's magic show. A treat for me and you. Chats, look! Our wish came true!
Wow, a sunset.
It's
magical.
Hi, I'm dressing up as something very special today. I'm dressing in the colours of a sunrise. Dancing up a sunrise, see the colours of the dawn. Magic of the morning, watch the colours form. Orange and pink and a yellow glow. Here comes the sun as it rises, say hello. There. How do I look? Orange, pink, yellow and red. Sunrise colours. As the sun rises in the morning, it leaves a beautiful, warm glow. Dancing up a sunrise, see the colours of the dawn. Magic of the morning, watch the colours form. Orange and pink and a yellow glow. Here comes the sun as it rises, say hello. Ah, what a great way to welcome the day.
Oh, hi! Tim Panda here with my panda friends, and we're having a panda snack in the magical forest.
Bamboo! Yum!
Oh, hey guys, this piece of bamboo that I've been munching on has got holes down the side of it. Whoa! Did you hear that?
Oh, that's a pretty sweet sound.
How did you make that sound, Panda Tim?
Well, I blew in here, and the sound came out here like a bamboo recorder.
That's amazing!
Hey, I wonder if your bamboo stalks make a sound too.
Well, we could give it a try.
Oh, yeah. Stevie, your longer one makes a lower sound. Oh. Oh, and Casey Panda, your shorter one makes a higher sound. Ah, 3 different bamboo recorders with 3 different sounds. Deep in the bamboo forest, there's a magical bamboo sound. 3 recorders go toot, 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 the most wonderful sound around. The air goes in, the air comes out, it's music to my ears. Deep in the bamboo forest, the most magical sounding ears. Hey, Casey Panda, your bamboo recorder has the highest sound.
Well, I think one has the highest sound because it's the smallest. I guess I was just a little bit hungrier than you two.
And Stevie Panda, your longer recorder makes the lowest sound.
Yeah.
And mine is sort of in the middle.
And it has an in-the-middle kind of sound.
Yeah. It seems the longer the recorder, the lower the sound. And you can cover all these different holes to make different kinds of sounds.
Oh, wow, what a great sound, Panda Tin.
Do you want to join in with me?
Yes!
Deep in the bamboo forest, there's a magical bamboo sound. 3 recorders go toot, 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 the most wonderful sound around. The air goes in, the air comes out, it's music to my ears. Deep in the bamboo forest, the most magical sound in years. Yeah! Hey, and if we get hungry, we can just munch, munch, munch.
Yeah!
Hey guys, is anyone feeling really brave? Or does anyone want to climb a huge mountain with us?
Yeah!
Well, we don't have a real mountain, but what we do have is one of these.
Wow! A rock climbing wall, cool. Well, we're all strapped in and we're ready for the next Fitbit tip. Yeah!
It looks really high. How do we get up there?
Well, that's where the Fitbit tip comes in handy. We use to strengthen our legs, just like when we're climbing stairs. So it's 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Just like that. And then we'll be able to get right up to the top of the mountain.
And remember, there's no need to rush, so take it 1 step at a time.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And we're off.
Oh, there we go. That's okay. Right. 1 step at a time.
That's great work, Dallas.
Yeah.
So use to strengthen your legs like you're climbing the stairs. That's it. 1 step at a time. That's it. Keep going.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, I can just see her. Good job, guys. Good job.
Excellent mountain climbing.
High five! Hi, I'm blowing bubbles. Bubbly round shapes. Pop! I love bubbles! Bubbles drifting on a breeze, clear and shiny, free, free, free. Floating, rolling, quick or slow. Magical bubbles and pop they go. Pop! Now, today I'm going to catch some bubble shapes on paper by making some bubble print pictures. I'm going to do that using some bubbly washing up liquid and some water. Here we go. Glug, 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 glug. Put it all into this bowl. Glug, 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 glug. Nice. Now, I'm going to add some blue food colouring. Just in there. Lots of that, lots of blue. Now, I'm going to grab a straw. And now it's time to make some bubbles. Here we go. Lots and lots and lots of bubbles. Now, to catch them on some paper. There we go. Nice! Brilliant blue bubble shapes. Sort of looks like a bubbly blue ocean. I know, with a little fish swimming by. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Okay, time for one more bubble-shaped picture. This one is gonna be green. Bubbles drifting on a breeze, clear and shiny, free, free, free. Floating, rolling, quick or slow. Magical bubbles and pop they go. There we go. Nice. Okay, so we've got the bright green mixture. Now it's time to blow some bubbles. Nice and bubbly. Now, to catch them on some paper. There we go. Hey, these green bubbles look a bit like green leaves. There we go. Oh, I know. A big tree with green leaves and a big trunk. Oh, and a little birdie sitting in the middle. Tweet, tweet, tweet. So, we've got a bubbly blue ocean and a big round green bubble-shaped tree. Bubble shapes are everywhere.
I'm having fun blowing bubbles today. Dip my wand into the bubble mixture and blow. There's nothing nicer than blowing bubbles. There's nothing nicer than blowing bubbles. Shiny bubbles floating everywhere. I just love bubbles. I love how they float around and then pop! There's nothing nicer than popping bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. There's nothing nicer than popping bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Shiny bubbles popping everywhere. Aw, this has made me want to do a bubbly dance. There's nothing nicer than popping bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. There's nothing nicer than popping bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Shiny bubbles popping everywhere. Bubbly bubbles. One way.
Let's just see what's yours. I got it. Look, a bubble. I like flying this bubble.
Our hidden treasure today is something you all have in your classroom. It's a blackboard. If you look closely during the story, you might just spot it. Now, onto the story. Once upon a time, there was a very special school. It was a school where they taught magic. Hi, I'm Madison, and I can make this feather float. Float, feather, float! Ta-da!
Hi, I'm Hannah, and I can make things appear from my wand. Abracadabra!
Wow! Hi, I'm Felix, and I can make this coin disappear. Now you see it? Now you don't! Ta-da!
We're making magic, something really new. A special kind of magic, especially for you. Watch these tricks and you will see a great new magic of magical me.
Today was a special day because the class had a new teacher. He was a great teacher, but here's the catch. He had never taught magic before.
Marvelously magical. Everyone, take your seats. Now, class, I'm your new teacher, Mr. Joshua.
Hello, Mr. Joshua.
Right, class. Now, let's begin. First, I'll show you a little disappearing trick. Now you see me. Now you don't.
Are you okay, Mr. Joshua?
Yes, I'm fine. Thanks.
Hey, Mr. Joshua, could you show us a new magic trick?
Sure. Why not? Ooh, what's this up my sleeve? Why, it's a hanky. That's not a hanky. It's my... Never mind.
That's really funny.
Great magic!
Boxer shorts, how did he do that?
Oh, poor Mr. Joshua. None of the tricks he had so carefully learned seemed to be working. How was he going to teach the class something new?
Oh, now, my magical hat. A magicaboo, a magicaba, a magicaboo. Lucky I always carry a spare. Okay. Tippy toppy, tippy lay, a rabbit from my hat, I say.
Great trick, Mr. Joshua.
Thanks, Hannah. But a rabbit from my hat, I say. Ooh, tippy toppy, tippy lay. Oh, boy.
Mr. Joshua, you're just too funny.
Oh, my glasses. Not quite a rabbit, but I was wondering where they were.
Oh, that's a fantastic trick, Mr. Joshua.
It's hilarious.
Oh, my magic tricks don't seem to work very well.
But Mr. Joshua, they're so funny.
We've never seen tricks that make us laugh and giggle so much.
It's like magical funny lessons. That's it. Funny magic. You can learn some funny magic from Funny Me. Come on, everyone. Join me for some funny magic. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
We're making magic, something really new. A special kind of magic, especially for you. Watch these tricks and you will see the great new magic on Magical Me. Wow!
Mr. Joshua became the funny magic teacher, and all the students loved him. So, did you manage to spot the blackboard? Look, there it is. Great job. Hey, how about we giggle our way over there for another song?
We're gonna put on a magic show. It's gonna be amazing, you've all gotta go. You won't believe the tricks you'll see. Smoke and mirrors, tricks with rings, hoops that spin, disappearing things. We'll dazzle you with magic 1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, presto, where did it go? Hey, hey, presto, what do you know? Hey, hey, presto, we're putting on a show. It's a fantastic magic show. Hey, let's all go. Wanna see a magic act? Watch me pull a rabbit right out of a hat. I'll hypnotize you with my ticking clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick. Hey presto, I wave my wand. Whoa, take a look now. Where has it gone? Let's look into that crystal ball and see. Hey, hey presto, where did it go? Hey, hey presto, what do you know? Hey, hey presto, we're putting on a show. It's a fantastic magic show. Hey, let's all go. Alakazam and Alakazee, I wave my magic handkerchief. Alakazam and Alakazoo, say the magic words and we'll find you. Hey, hey, presto, where did it go? Hey, hey, presto, what do you know? Hey, hey, presto, we're putting on a show. It's a fantastic